Back when I first got my tractor, I built a receiver for the 3-point hitch, and I use it all the time. But one thing that I don't like since I got my box blade is that I have to switch out the box blade for the 3-point hitch every time I want to move a trailer. Well, today I'm going to fabricate a receiver and weld it to the back of the box blade so that I don't have to switch back and forth between two different attachments. Now, I made this one out of a receiver hitch that had been purchased at some point by who I don't know or where. I know you can get them fairly inexpensively, but I have a piece of 2-inch square tube that I can make a receiver hitch out of. Now, the first order of business will be to figure out where I want the hole. And because I'm not towing this down the road, I'm just moving trailers around my property, it's not super critical. It's like about 3.5 inches in. Now, if you don't have one of these and you're working with metal, you need to get one. If you're drilling, this center punch works great. Just that little divot will help set your drill bit. I really like these Harbor Freight step bits. They work really well for as inexpensive as they are. I think you get 3 of them, different size, in a pack for, I don't know, 10 or 11 bucks. I don't buy a lot of stuff at Harbor Freight, but these bits work really well. Now I'm going to mount this to the top, and I've already got a hole here in the center, so I'll use that as my reference. I'll clean the paint off and throw a bead on there. Now, I'm not going to be moving buildings with this thing. I've got a couple utility trailers, a cargo trailer, and my boat. So I don't think I'm going to need a gusset this, but I'm going to try it out and see how it works. If it looks like it's going to flex or move, I'll put a gusset in it, maybe front and back, but I think it should be fine. I think I'm going to put a gusset in it. Now, I've been using my hitch for a couple months and it moves my sawmill around just fine, but with my boat it flexes quite a bit and I don't even want to attempt to move my cargo trailer with it. So I'm going to cut this D-ring off of this old rack that I had from years ago, and I'm going to use the flat part of this angle iron as a gusset. The D-ring will make a safety chain hookup point. So, two birds with one stone. Well, my auto shade hood has gone through another set of batteries in what seems like a very short period of time. So I just did a couple of blind man welds on this just to kind of securely tack it in place. It already seems way better. I think this is exactly what I needed to do in the first place. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. For you sawmill fans, I'm working on something this weekend that I think is going to be pretty cool. Be a complete in-depth explanation of all the functions and features on the sawmill as requested by viewer Scott Jackson. So stay tuned for that, and we're going to get back into the videos here. Thanks for watching. Now, I've been using my hitch for a couple months, and to figure out where. Oh. Hey guys, today I'm going to do something I've wanted to do pretty much since I bought my Box Blade. A long time ago, back when I first got my tractor, I built a 3-point receiver hitch for the 3-point hitch. It's a lot of hitches. Back when I first got my tractor, I built a receiver for the 3-point hitch, and I used it.